A full hood installation. In this video, we will demonstrate how to apply full hood from a bulk roll. Remember to wash the car and clean the surface. For a full coverage with paint protection film, if it's possible, remove the emblem from the hood. Locate the screws behind the latch, undo them and remove the emblem. Here are two examples how to install the hood from a bulk roll, a basic installation and a second with using 3M Lifeless tape. When installing 3M Scotchgard Pro Series paint protection film, always remove a cap sheet from the film before application. As a final step before installation, clean the surface with slip solution. Wipe the surface with tack cloth and raise the hood by placing a pre-cut core to desired height. Apply slip solution on the surface of the hood and installation gel. Using 3M paint protection installation gel at the edges or body lines prevents from dry spots causing installation defects. When removing the liner from the film, spray the adhesive side with slip solution. A pressurized sprayer is a handy tool to have when you work with full coverage options. Place the film on the hood, trim off the excess of the material. Slide the film on the vehicle to find the best orientation before tacking the film down. This is just an example how to get a stretch from an area large as possible. Spray a tack solution to lock the film on each corner. Using a coast-to-coast technique, move the film gently to remove any fingers and minimize the stress right from the beginning. "50-50" overlapping squeegee strokes is the key technique for a proper and smooth paint protection film installation. Install the film in smaller segments and check each segment for defect before further installation. Follow the same steps on the other side of the hood. Frequently respray with slip solution to avoid dry spots for better squeegee glide. Trim the excess of leaving 1 cm film for overlap. Here's an example how to finish this corner before we open the hood and wrap the rest of the edges. Use a sharp blade and cut with low angle and light pressure. There is quite a few different techniques how to finish corners, and this is one of them. After the corner is trimmed, remove the excess of the film and open the hood. Using a cutting knife, trim the film around the hood, leaving about 1 cm to wrap the edges around. Use a steamer to soften the paint protection film and seal the edges. Place the emblem back into its place. Wipe the surface with microfiber towel for the final inspection. This is how to install 3M Scotchgard Pro Series paint protection film on a hood from a bulk roll. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to use 3M Precision Line Lifeless tape with paint protection film.